Most people are tired of swallowing what's essentially flavored beach sand every single morning just to get a slight edge in the gym. We have seen 1,000 different fitness trends come and go over the last few years. Yet here we are in 2026, and one name still dominates the conversation for anyone who actually cares about what they are putting in their body. I am talking about the kind of purity that makes other brands look like they are mixing their batches in a backyard shed. The whole point of using a supplement like this is to fix a very specific biological problem. When you are pushing through those last 3 reps of a heavy set, your muscles are screaming for energy. They are using up their primary fuel source at a rate that your body can barely keep up with. You have these molecules called adenosine triphosphate. Think of them as fully charged batteries. Once you use that energy, the battery loses a piece and becomes a spent shell. This is where the gold standard of creatine comes into play. It provides the exact raw materials needed to snap those batteries back into their fully charged state almost instantly. This process is the difference between hitting a wall and smashing right through it. The secret sauce here is actually the total lack of secret sauce. We see these flashy bottles with neon labels promising revolutionary new formulas every single week. Most of them are just overpriced fluff. The reason this specific micronized powder stays at the top is because it focuses on particle size. They take the raw material and break it down until it is so fine that it dissolves into water like it was never there. This matters for 2 big reasons. First, nobody wants a gritty drink that ruins their morning. Second, those big and clunky particles in cheaper brands are exactly what cause that bloated, heavy feeling in your stomach. By reducing the size, the brand ensures it actually gets into your system instead of just sitting there causing distress. We're talking about pharmaceutical-grade quality here. It is likely the most researched substance in the entire history of sports nutrition. There is no guesswork involved. You are essentially saturating your muscle tissue with the building blocks of explosive power. For athletes across the US and Canada, the choice usually comes down to whether you want a fancy flavor or a product that actually works. This stuff does not bother with the bells and whistles. It is unflavored and straightforward. You can mix it into your morning coffee or your post-workout shake, and you will not even notice it is there. That is the hallmark of a professional-grade tool. It does the job without making a scene. It is not a scam or a marketing gimmick. It is a fundamental piece of the performance puzzle. If your goal is to increase your raw strength and add actual volume to your frame, you need a reliable source of phosphocreatine. This is the benchmark that everyone else is trying to hit. It is funny how the more things change in the fitness world, the more we realize that the basics done perfectly will always win. You do not need a laboratory degree to see the results. You just need a product that delivers on its promise of purity every single time. It remains the legit choice for anyone serious about their progress this year. It is about getting that extra percentage of effort out of every single set. It is about that consistency that builds a physique over time. Stick to what is proven and leave the hype behind.